Hey guys, welcome back. Coach here. Hey, September and early October's product of the month. I'm going with the Scott's Fall and Winter Weed and Feed Fertilizer for your lawn area. Why do I say that? Weed and feed, Matt, in the fall? Absolutely. You still got weeds out there, guaranteed. And with the cooler temperatures and wet coming on, you'll find that you'll have an early sprout before it goes off into winter. This one here is really easy to apply. I've used a lot of the Scott's products, mainly with a drop spreader, but you can use the typical whirly type of broadcaster as well. Your drop spreaders are generally set around 6, and your whirly birds are around 3.5 to 4, something like that. But put this on a wet lawn because it is a weed and feed product, so you want that weed control to stick to the weeds that are in the lawn, and then do it probably in the harsher environments. You're going to put it on to September of October. In the more mild climates, probably late October into November, and then you let it coast through the winter and put another one on in early spring. Not this product, but another Scott's product or your favorite fertilizer. 4 times a year, guys, on your lawn products. 4 times a year, you encourage that grass, control those weeds, and you'll find that you'll have less weeds every year, year after year, especially things like dandelion and burr clover and those kinds of things. Excellent product. So, hey, for the product of the month, go with your Scott's Fall and Winter Weed Control Fertilizer. And this is not an endorsed product yet, but it's a fantastic product. I've used it for, the last decade or more. And they used to have it without the weed control. I'm glad they have it with now. So, Coach's product of the month for the fall is going to be your Scott's Fall and Winter Feed. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next week. Take care.